Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video on our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Trust Wallet account on your desktop. So if this sounds helpful to you, then watch this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. To download Trust Wallet on your desktop, you will need to firstly download a application called BlueStacks. You can easily download it from their official website. BlueStacks is a application which lets you download and use applications which usually only work on mobile devices. After you downloaded the application, you can open the app. And from here, you need to go to Play Store and then type Trust Wallet and install it. After it's installed, you can open it. Then after you open the app, you can see an interface such like this. You can either choose to create a wallet if you haven't already, or you can click on I already have a wallet. So in this case, let's click on I already have a wallet. Now you'll need to agree on the privacy policy and terms of service of Trust Wallet. If you want, you can also take a look at these. After you're done, check this box and hit continue. Now what you'll need to do is enter the passcode that you created while creating your Trust Wallet account. Again, re-enter your passcode. Now after you do that, you'll need to click on Multicoin Wallet and then enter the phrase that you were given by Trust Wallet while creating the app. The phrase must be in order and should be separated by a single space. After you're done entering the code, click on import. And just like that, you have logged into your Trust Wallet account. So those were the few easy steps to log into your Trust Wallet account. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we will be soon back with more videos similar to this. Thank you all for watching.